हमारे जिंदगी में एक ऐसा वक्त, ऐसा दिन या ऐसा सिचुएशन आता है जिनसे हम बहुत बातें किया करते थे, चाहे वो लड़का हो चाहे वो लड़की हो, उन्होंने सडनली हमें ब्लॉक कर दिया है व्हाट्सएप से, फेसबुक से, इन एवरी सोशल मीडिया प्लेटफॉर्म, एंड सडनली वी आर नॉट एबल टू गेट इन टच एंड वी कीप वंडरिंग व्हाट द हैज हैपेंड. You know what is that? That's called ghosting. मैं कोई भूत प्रेत की बात नहीं कर रही. Ghosting is a very common term which is in so much trend these days. People cutting off communication without even explaining you why. That's called ghosting. And we keep on overthinking. ऐसा क्यों हुआ? मेरी क्या गलती थी? मैंने ऐसा क्या कर दिया कि उसने ब्लॉक कर दिया? मैंने कुछ गलत तो नहीं बोल दिया? We keep on thinking. And this overthinking one day leads to anxiety, and we keep on overthinking, and that leads to procrastination also. That's the main reason for procrastination and anxiety, that we keep overthinking. So I'll tell you simple ways I have applied in my life to deal with ghosting very smoothly. And if you have not been ghosted, then I'm sure you're one of the luckiest one, because 90% people will agree कि ऐसा ghosting चाहे वो business में हो, चाहे personal हो या any relation में हो, ghosting कभी-कभी हमें face करना पड़ता है. So I'll give you simple tips how to deal with ghosting. Number 1, your self-respect. Your self-respect is everything. When they do not want your presence in their life, why do you want their presence in your life? Your self-respect should be everything. Self-respect is one of the main criteria to love yourself. Second is don't keep on calling them from other numbers, or don't send them text or essays or long messages कि क्यों हुआ, let's sort it out, let's figure out ऐसा क्यों हुआ, this and that. They do not want to be in touch with you. They are clear with it. So why do you have to run behind people who are negative? जो लोग नेगेटिव लोग होते हैं वो घोस्टिंग करते हैं. Positive people will have a positive perspective and they will tell you, or they will sort out things, maturely. So these people are negative people, these people are toxic people, and be happy that toxic people or toxic relationship अपने आप छोड़ के चले गया. And the third point, which is most important point, is when these kind of people, they cut communication this way, वो अचानक से आपसे बात करना छोड़ देते हैं, वो अपने कैरेक्टर के बारे में अपने आप ही बहुत कुछ बताते हैं. They reveal their character to you. So by now you are aware that they are emotionally immature. So I don't think you want emotionally immature people in your life. You want people with mature qualities. You want people with positive qualities and positive vibes. So why do you want immature people, emotionally immature people? So when you take all this kind of tips and apply in your life to deal with ghosting, I'm sure you will not overthink and you will not lead to anxiety or procrastination. This is one common term, ghosting. Always remember, it is and it will be a trend every time, everywhere, despite wherever you stay.